Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading, is the act of buying and selling currencies with the aim of making a profit. It is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with an estimated daily turnover of over $6 trillion. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive overview of Forex trading, including the basics, terminologies, and market dynamics. What is Forex trading? Forex trading is the process of buying and selling currencies with the aim of making a profit. The Forex market is a global market where currencies are traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. The price of a currency is determined by supply and demand, which is influenced by various factors such as economic indicators, geopolitical events, and central bank policies. Currency pairs and terminologies. In Forex trading, currencies are traded in pairs. The first currency in the pair is called the base currency, and the second currency is called the quote currency. The exchange rate between the two currencies is the price of the quote currency in terms of the base currency. Some of the most popular currency pairs include euro to US dollar to Japanese yen, and pound sterling to US dollar. There are several terminologies that are commonly used in Forex trading, including pip, spread, and margin. A pip is the smallest unit of measurement in the Forex market, and it represents the fourth decimal place in a currency pair. The spread is the difference between the bid price and the ask price, and it represents the cost of trading. Margin is the amount of money that a trader needs to deposit in their trading account to open a position. Market dynamics. The Forex market is influenced by various factors, including economic indicators, geopolitical events, and central bank policies. Economic indicators such as GDP, inflation, and employment data can have a significant impact on the currency market. Geopolitical events such as elections, wars, and trade disputes can also affect currency prices. Central bank policies such as interest rates and monetary policy can have a direct impact on currency prices. Trading strategies. There are several trading strategies that traders can use in Forex trading. Some of the most common strategies include scalping, day trading, swing trading, and position trading. Scalping is a strategy that involves making small profits from small price movements, while day trading involves opening and closing trades within a day. Swing trading involves holding trades for several days to take advantage of medium-term price movements, while position trading involves holding trades for weeks or months to take advantage of long-term trends. Risk management is an important aspect of Forex trading. Traders should always use stop-loss orders to limit their losses in case the market moves against them. It is also important to use proper position sizing to ensure that losses are kept within acceptable levels. Choosing a Forex broker is an important decision for any trader. There are several factors that should be considered when choosing a broker, including regulation, trading platform, customer support, and fees. Traders should choose a broker that is regulated by a reputable regulatory body, offers a user-friendly trading platform, provides excellent customer support, and has competitive fees. Thank you for watching our video on Forex trading, understanding the basics. We hope you found this video informative and useful. If you want to know how to earn good money with Forex trading, then check out full professional course, link is in the description. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on trading and investing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we will be happy to answer them. Happy trading!